a concise roundup of the key general knowledge and current affairs curated for competitive exams. Scientific and discovery updates. New species discovered, India. Species, Arisaima siahense, a new type of cobra lily. Location, Siaha District, Mizoram. Authority, identified by the Botanical Survey of India, BSI. Medical science. Discovery, mechanism of ferroptosis, iron-dependent cell death. Significance, critical for developing targeted therapies for cancer, killing resistant cells and stroke treatment. Quantum physics. Focus, study of maglev and EYFP, fluorescent proteins. Technology, uses quantum mechanisms like spin and radical pairs to enhance biological imaging. Defense and Strategic Affairs. Exercise Kharga Shakti 2026. Conducted by Indian Army's Kharga Corps. Location Bikaner, Rajasthan, Western Front. Key tech, integration of drone reconnaissance and Ashni fire platoons. INS Anjadeep. Type, anti-submarine warfare shallow watercraft, ASWSWC. Event, commissioning on February 27, 2026 at Chennai Port. Strategic acquisition. Missile, Golden Horizon, air-launched ballistic missile. Origin, Israel. Discussions for acquisition to boost long-range strike. LCA Tejas. Safety status. HAL confirmed it maintains one of the world's best safety records despite a minor ground technical incident. Statistical data, India and world. Economic growth. India's GDP growth is forecast by ICRR to be 7.2% for Q3 FY26. Industrial activity, projected to reach a high of 8.3% in the current cycle. Agricultural trade. India is the world's 8th largest agricultural exporter, with exports totaling $51.1 billion United States dollars in FY25. Global export share. India accounts for 2.2% of global agricultural exports. Digital reach. India hosts 958 million active internet users, with 44% using AI-enabled tools. Environmental data. India is among the top 4 global contributors to pesticide toxicity. Network readiness. India ranks 45th out of 127 countries in the Network Readiness Index 2026. Important current affairs. National Counter-Terrorism Policy, PRAHAAR. Goal, to streamline India's response to asymmetric warfare and rogue drone threats. India-France, DTAC. Amendment, update to the Double Taxation Avoidance Convention regarding capital gains taxing rights for Indian companies. Van Island, Tamil Nadu. Achievement, 10-year artificial reef project in the Gulf of Mannar, produced benefits worth 61 crore rupees. Prashad scheme. Expansion, Ministry of Tourism is developing major temple clusters in Andhra Pradesh under this heritage drive. Practice quiz for competitive exams, UPSC, GPSC, ASRB. 1. The newly identified species Arisaima siahense, cobra lily, is endemic to which district of Mizoram? A. Aizawl, B. Lunglei, C. Siaha, D. Champhai. Correct answer, C. Siaha. 2. The mechanism of ferroptosis, which is vital for cancer and stroke therapy, is best described as A. Calcium-driven cell regeneration, B. Iron-dependent cell death, C. Oxygen-deprived cell growth, D. Viral-induced cell mutation. Correct answer, B. Iron-dependent cell death. 3. In quantum physics, recent progress in biological imaging has focused on which fluorescent proteins? A. GFP and RFP, B. Maglev and EYFP, C. Luciferase and BFP, D. Cyan and magenta. Correct answer, B. Maglev and EYFP. 4. Exercise Kharga Shakti 2026 was conducted by the Indian Army in Bikaner to integrate which of the following? A. Submarines and aircraft carriers, B. Mountain Strike Corps and tanks, C. Drones and Ashni fire platoons, D. Cybersecurity and space satellites. Correct answer, C. Drones and Ashni fire platoons. 5. Which naval vessel is the third of the 8 anti-submarine warfare shallow water crafts to be commissioned in February 2026? A. ENS Arnala, B. ENS Androth, C. ENS Anjadeep, D. ENS Mahe. Correct answer, C. ENS Anjadeep. 6. India is reportedly discussing the acquisition of the Golden Horizon missile from Israel. What type of missile is it? A. Surface-to-air missile, SAM, B. Air-Launched Ballistic Missile, ALBM. C. Anti-Tank Guided Missile, ATGM. D. Submarine-Launched Cruise Missile. Correct answer, B. Air-Launched Ballistic Missile, ALBM. 7. According to ICRA, what is the projected industrial activity high for India in the current economic cycle? A. 7.2%. B. 8.3%. C. 5.5%. D. 9.1%. Correct answer, B. 8.3%. 8. What is India's total value of agricultural exports as recorded in FY25? A. 25.5 billion United States dollars. B. 40.2 billion United States dollars. C. 51.1 billion United States dollars. D. 60 billion United States dollars. Correct answer, C. 51.1 billion United States dollars. 9. What is the name of the new national counter-terrorism policy unveiled to tackle asymmetric warfare and drones? A. Shakti. B. PRAHAR. C. Rakshak. D. Vijay. Correct answer, B. PRAHAR. Thus, Van Island, known for its successful 10-year artificial reef project, is located in which region? A. Park Strait. B. Gulf of Kutch. C. Gulf of Mannar. D. Chilika Lake. Correct answer, C. Gulf of Mannar. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Don't forget to like and share this video with others. Thank you for watching.